you, son. I got 99 problems, but a bitch ain't one. I got the rap patrol on the cat patrol. Foes that want to make sure my casket's closed. Rap critics that say he's money cash holes. I'm from the hood, stupid. What type of facts are those? If you grew up with hoes in your zap with toes, you celebrate the minute you was having dope. I'm like, fuck critics, you can kiss my whole asshole. If you don't like my lyrics, you can press fast forward. Got beef with radio if I don't play they show. They don't play my hits, well I don't give a shit. So, rap mags try and use my black ass so advertisers could give them more cash for ads. Fuckers, I don't know what you take me as or understand the intelligence that Jay-Z has. I'm from rags, the richest niggas, I ain't dumb. I got 99 problems, but a bitch ain't one. Hit me. 99 problems, but a bitch ain't one. If you having girl problems, I feel bad for you, son. I got 99 problems, but a bitch ain't one. Hit me. Yeah, it's 94 and my trunk is raw. In my rear view mirror is the motherfucking law. I got two choices, y'all. Pull over the car or bounce on the devil, put the pedal to the floor. And I ain't trying to see no highway chase with Jake. Plus I got a few dollars I can fight the case. So I pull over to the side of the road. I heard, son, do you know I'm stopping? Cause I'm young and I'm black and my hat's real low. Do I look like a mind reader, sir? I don't know. Am I under arrest or should I guess I'm up? What you was doing 55 in the lost the registration and step out of the car. You carrying a weapon on you, I know a lot of you are. I ain't stepping out of shit, all my papers legit. Well, do you mind if I look around the car a little bit? Well, my glove compartment is locked, so it's the trunk in the back. And I know my rights, so you gon' need a warrant for that. Aren't you sharp attack? You some type of law or something, somebody important or something. I ain't passed the bar, but I know a little bit enough that you wanna legally search my shit. Well, we'll see how smart you are when the K9 comes. I got 99 problems, but a bitch ain't one. Hit me. 99 problems, but a bitch ain't one. If you having girl problems, I feel bad for you, son. I got 99 problems, but a bitch ain't one. Hit me. 99 problems, but a bitch ain't one. If you having girl problems, I feel bad for you, son. I got 99 problems, but a bitch ain't one. Hit me. Now, once upon a time, not too long ago, a nigga like myself had a strong arm, a hoe. And this is not a hoe in the sense of having a pussy, but a pussy having no goddamn sense. Try and push me. I try to ignore him, talk to the Lord, pray for him, but some fools just love to perform. You know the type, loud as a motorbike, but wouldn't bust a grape in a fruit fight. And only thing that's gonna happen is I'ma get the clapping and he and his boys gonna be yapping to the captain. And there I go trapped in a Kit Kat again. Back through the system with the rap again. Beans on the floor, scratching again. Paparazzis with their cameras, snapping them. DA try to give a nigga shaft again. $500,000 for bail cause I'm African. Or because the fool was harassing them. Trying to play the boy like he's saccharine. But ain't nothing sweet but I hold my gun. I got 99 pounds, being a bitch ain't one. Hit me. 99 problems, but a bitch ain't one. If you having girl problems, I feel bad for you, son. I got 99 problems, but a bitch ain't one. Hit me. 99 problems, but a bitch ain't one. If you having girl problems, I feel bad for you, son. I got 99 problems, but a bitch ain't one. Hit me.
All right, what's the deal, gang? How's everybody doing? What's up, fellas and ladies? Hey, girls, this is what you're doing. This is what I need you to do. Ah, shit. Yeah. All right, glad to see everybody. The daily with a nice little gap up. Not really a gap because I think the 4 hour was that candle that's missing. The last 4 hours, the last 3 hours of the day. Yeah, look, our trade. Remember we said full TP was gonna be at 300 at 83, I think it was. We called 83, 45.83. It got to 45.84. 20. 45.80 we had. But yeah, that would have smashed. There's a reason we had that level as well when we look back. But daily bullish, 4 hour bullish, 1 hour close, no bottom wick, and we are coming up here over the first 15-20 minutes of this 1 hour candle in a bottom wick here, breaking that previous 1 hour high. I am still a bit skeptical with that previous bearish 1 hour, so I think I'd rather see some bullish closures above the range here, or a re-break of the low of this 15 before looking for any kind of buys. I honestly don't want to buy into this chop. I'd rather have it clear out and then. So we're obviously bullish. We have a resistance here. We formed a support here. Once we break this low, we should be good to go here. For about roughly 100 pips. Yeah, 69 to 59. Fill of this wick here. When I say clear this area, I mean we need a closure below here, not just we need a closure. If we're gonna look for sells, right, you're gonna need a range to break out because we are bullish. You are gonna need a closure below here, looking like this, and you're going to need to hold this level. If we're able to hold that with a top wick, that's the only way I take sells. Outside of that, we're going to look to push up, see if we can close above the highs there, get another move up. I'm not a big fan of buying into this chop with a bearish 1 hour. Previous 30 also bearish. We just made a top wick for it. So, and the way the cookie crumbles for now, we're just going to wait and chill. And there's no music. There's what else is here? Oh, we got very special guests in the building. Of course, we have Nightbot. What's up, Sam? Jordan in the building. We got got Patrick in the gym. Wiximus Gluteus. Sadly, today generation, no one understands how hard the song goes. Everyone listen to Drake PDF songs. Hey, can you guys battle it out in the living room, if anything? Please? Please. Okay, and big reason why I didn't want to take that by there. See, maybe we get ourselves, maybe. I would love to come down here to 55 areas and even 50 areas to retap these levels. There's probably a whole bunch of orders here at 57, 58. Probably even lower. There's a whole bunch of orders here at 30. But please, drop a like and sub to the channel as you're hopping in here. And yeah, those noises you're hearing are my kids. Hey, gang. They're like, it's not us. Cheese and rice. Cheese and rice. Oh, that makes me hungry. Killed this entire green tea. So, I was looking at the market here earlier, looking to get some sells in. But the realization here, actually right here, I was looking at it on the rebreak of that low, that we've never retested that high after being really bullish, right? Kept me out. Now we've retested it, but we've got that closure with no wick here, and now we have support. So let's see if we can close below. Grabbed a bunch of orders at the top here, so we might push, but we don't have a closure below here yet, so I'm gonna wait for this to close. Expect this level to tap at the very least before though. What safe zone? There's a lot of room here. Oh, it's not as much. But there's like 60 pips, is about 30. But it should get here. We should see that tap. Will it break? I don't know. We could just tap in an instant and come right back. This wick could be in the blink of an eye. Come right back here. So I really don't take this till I get a closure here. It could absolutely drop. Got this wick here to the left to fill. But quite often, in such a bullish day, we've seen this tap this area and bounce right back up into range. The water bottle blocking your face. Gotcha. I didn't know we were reading lips. Cool. That's cool. Damn, I just don't. This is nice. That was a nice top wick here. Some room here. The level is 24 pips with the wick. See if we can get a closure. Or will we just pump it? Oh, there. Pump it. Oh, there. Hey, girls, do me a favor. Turn that down. I can't hear anything. You're coming through my speaker. Hey. Do me a favor. Turn down or go over there. Turn down or go over there. Hey. Hey, I can't hear anything, so I need you to turn that down. Thank you. Appreciate it. Turn down. Oh, then I can't help you. Then you gotta go over there. Oh, look at that. We broke the low and came back up here. Interesting. Someone going to be liquidity, or will it actually come down? I think we broke that low twice. Yeah, we're either going to look for a support to form here to push up, or I need a higher time frame range to breakout. Like I said, we're going to need a closure here, and even if it wants to push down, great. Let it push down. Let it push down. We'll get some sells off this area. 4 minutes left on the 30 here. Damn it. 30 like candle. 4 minutes. Don't want to take a trade here with the last 4 minutes of the candle. But glad to see everybody hopping in here. Sam, homework. Hi, you too, by the way. Hey. You too. Homework for you too. You're an hour over your limit. Volume. Drop. With 64.4 and right back. 64.5. 2 minutes here. 2 minutes for this 30 to close. What you gonna do? Push in the last 2 minutes. Gold's been funky like that. It's been really moving last minute or two of the candle, but that's just the way the market cycles right now. Like it's gonna change. And the EST if it closes back up in range. A lot of time though, 90 seconds here for this candle. I said it can wick real quickly into this area and come back up. Or candle close. No questions. Everyone's just really paying attention. It's got to be one of two things. Either nobody gives a shit, or I'm just hitting all the points that people need to know. I'm gonna start gatekeeping so y'all ask questions. Well, why did you do this? Because I just did. You won't even know when I'm in a position. I'll just be over here like, oh, closing 150 pips. They close below here. I think we need to be below there. Let's see what happens. 30 close below. I think we want to see a steep top wick, maybe 75, 76 areas. 45, 75 at the very least. Late candle right into this area. Maybe come back up. And then we have our range to breakout, possibly. Right, the key here is to have this level here to the left, right here, this area turn into a resistance. We're gonna need to come down first. If this drive was steeper, I would be looking for a top wick sell here before this bottom wick forms. So if we were able to close below the support, I would be looking for a top wick on the next candle off the area. Oh, pretty much matched it. And top wick is the only thing that makes sense here because the rebreak of the lows bumps you into a support area. You're highly likely to flip bearish. But I'm speaking if we didn't have this bottom wick. 90% chance you at least flip there. And that gives you a chance to go break even, take risk off the table because the rebreak of your high takes price out in favor of structure with your bias, and there's a heavy price to pay if you don't manage risk. This is acting as a resistance. We closed below that area too. Oh man, can we get a celery play here? That'd be great. We might not need a steeper top wick. I'm not a big fan of this higher time frame looking like this. Previous hour respected support. You got your 30 leg candle, and there's a level here, right? So you can make that low and start filling the leg candle back up as you're heavily bullish. The clean range really lower here. That's the area I want to attack. Jordan over there swiping right and shit. Oh, swiping left. Am I right and left confused? Wow, top wick. This is interesting.
I'm over here looking at Bugatti's dreaming.
You don't need a Bugatti.
It can be a dream. Doesn't mean I'm going to get one.
You can get one. Doesn't mean you need one. Ain't gonna make you happy. It's gonna make you a tight ass. That's what it's gonna do.
Honestly, I told you, I just want to hide away. I just want to have my cars, drive on back roads, and nobody know where I'm at.
You're like, oh, my bumper.
You need a BBW.
Yeah.
A BMW? I have an M6.
No, a
BBW.
Oh.
I used to have an M6 too.
I thought you were gonna say I used to have a BBW. I'm getting my BBWs and BBLs confused. Sorry.
Hey, if she ain't lady, she ain't no lady.
Yeah, it seems like it wants to push, but man, I don't trust this level it's bumping into. I'm gonna wait here. I'm going to wait. Yeah, usually it's educational stuff here, gang, but just kind of today we're on BBLs and BBWs. L's and W's stands for losers and winners. Oh, man. 6 minutes on this candle. Held long enough. Man, this is such clean range down. I think we're too soon here with this like candle and with this level in the way. Grade 15 though. Great. Not so great 30. Gonna have to be more candles for me. It's got. If I'm gonna look for a position here, it's gonna have to. Don't like this chop here. Last time we were at this area, that came up heavy. 30. How would I look at this upside down? Because for some reason I can't flip my chart. Not flipping. I don't know why. When do you take trade? When it reveals itself, when the opportunity shows up, when what we're looking for shows up. We see a heavy correction right now, or can this still pull back up and give us a steeper top and still rebreak? 4 minutes here on the 15, getting dangerously close. The thing is, if this closes like this and the price doesn't tend to come down, the next candle doesn't need it any more wicks. Skeptical here. I don't think this waits if it intends to come down. I think it'll be now. And I don't think it's going to be now that it comes down. I think if it's going to come down, it should be this candle, not the next one, because it wouldn't make sense on the next one. But on the off chance it does, we'll be part of it. Right now, I'm worried about this level to the left here, 64.5. If we can clear it, get closures below there, then I'll fill the range down. Push. Nice small stop. I guess it will push. Might have taken that if that was a buy. Already closed short, just waiting for a nice long setup. I mean, this is solid. Just, man, this level here. Every other time frame though doesn't have one. See what happens. If we can re-break the high on this candle, I wouldn't mind a sell stop. That was pretty good. I think we had the right read here. Instead of this being a support, this being a resistance area across the board. So bullish though.
Fire.
Last 12 minutes of this hourly candle. Not doing much here. Unless we're able to come back up here and retest these highs. We got a bottom wick here, so I wouldn't take a buy. I'm sorry, I wouldn't take a sell here just yet. But if we're able to retest these highs right now and then come right back down and break that low, I will take it. Finish out the range here. Got to happen in the next like 5-7 minutes. Retest to this high, re-break it at lows. nothing doing, just kind of trickling down here. Get rid of all this. Too much things in the way. This is good. If we can get up here, sells will be in order. This is maybe here, 45, 66. No buys, no sells here off a top wick because you have a previous 30 leg candle. You just tap the support. This might bring it back up. That's why I want price to. Like I said, I'm not no sells below here because I didn't like this level, but we've driven through there. I do like sells below here. Depending how fast this plays out, if it plays out, if we're able to get up here, 66, right? Oh, we're almost there. 60. No, steeper. 67, yeah. Get up to 67 and re-break lows here with 8 minutes to go. I think we'll finish out the range here to 55. Okay, let's see if this can slingshot down from here, or are we going to end up back in range? Nine minutes. Yes, gonna have a sell stop here. Where you got a previous candle low. It decides to come down. I need this to activate in the next like 3 to 4 minutes. Oh, this is sell stop. Eight minutes. Yo, where are you? Hello? $60.6, 45, 60.6, 7 minutes to go here in this candle. Some clean range down here. Made that attempt to come up. If this takes another 2 minutes. 5 minutes. Limit 57. Limit 5:15. Five minutes for the 1 hour. Can we get this to run really quickly? Or will it pull back on us? I'm gonna go break even fairly quickly too here, gang. It's gonna be, it should be a quick drop or bounce. Fucking getting so late into the candle, man. Five pips there. I'm gonna go break even as soon as we tap these areas here. 57, about 25, 30 pips. If it takes any longer, I'm gonna take it off last few minutes. One hour might close lit. I'm banking on the fact that we're bouncing off a resistance here and that it's gonna, you know, yeah, it's gonna reject here at these areas, but it's gonna give us our pips here fairly quickly. Doesn't? I mean, it doesn't. 3 minutes to go. Down 60.4, 65. A nasty candle right there, right? Bro, relax yourself. Come on. Chill. All right, gang. There's 2 minutes left here. I think I'm gonna delete. Yo. Let's delete all of this. You done, bro? 40 seconds is doing what we were looking for with 40 seconds left in the candle. Just like it's done the last few days, man. Well, let's hope it bounces up here. 20 seconds. We need a top wick here. Or a drive back up in range. That's a top wick. I just don't like it. We're so freaking overextended here on this 1 hour. Man, bump us up. Break the highs. Top wick too. I think I'm gonna have a sell stop here. Oh, everything's overextended, man. Lay candle. But man, there's some room there. I think, hold on. Attempt that there. I'm gonna attempt it here. Can we? Damn, I took a smaller position than I usually do on the break it at low. I took a third of my position. Man, but I really like how we tapped the highs there. Came down and re-break that low. Oh, go break even. Go break even. If this pumps back up here, it's going to be tough. We needed to re-break lows. Go break even. If it re-breaks lows, I'll secure a little bit. Right there. Secured partials at 50. Let's fix this buy stop. Let's get rid of it. Let's put a 5 here. Boom. Boom. Buy stop 5. And
We got a runner.
fucking give it to me, man. 60. That was at 60 flat for entry. Let's go to 50 flat here. Fuck it. We'll do a buy limit for 3. Right, and close partials right there. 50. The reason. No wick there. This wick is there. About 80 pips here. A little bit more. I need a bit of deeper drop, just a little bit. Yeah, slip 6 pips on there. Would have been at 100. One more. Bit of a steeper drop. That's all I need. Just a bit steeper. Wow. It's 100 on the dot. 97 I saw. One more rebreak of the lows. Let's go. We're 99. 100 pips. Yo, hello? Hello? Bro! Retap it. Retap the low. Yo! Don't fucking do this to me right now. Don't you fucking pull up. Don't you fucking pull up. Give it to me at 50. Give it to me at 50. Give it to me at 50. Give me 2 pips. Give me 2 pips. Give it to me at 50 flat. Come on. Yo, we had that on the dot. On the live, I secured at 50.4. Just a small little rebreak. That's all I need. Just one little rebreak. 1. 2 pips. 2 pips, brother. Ooh, ah. Oh, what a W. What a W. One pip revenge trade incoming. Bro, I'm gonna get it. I gotta get back to 99 first. Damn, we saw 98 pips. 98 pips we saw. What do we got on the signals? Oh, God. 101. Boom, there we go. We gotta change this now again. We gotta get rid of that. Put it 2. And yeah, gang.
We got a runner. Wow, I feel good.
That's 2 big ass trades today. The good thing we waited. We didn't get in here because we would have sat through drawdown. We really did not see any drawdown. We got less pips than here, but I think we would have closed that BE had we got in there and not get in here. The fact that we waited gave us a better position. Yeah, wow, this morning was over 300. 301. And now we have, yeah, we have a 100 pip runner here. Big fucking W's. Aaron, once again, thank you from Townsville. Gotcha. Gotcha. Let's see, can it break down? Can it drive us down to the bottom of the range? That would be lovely. Win number 708. On frame. Not done yet. I mean, like we this is the key level right here, 45.55. Funny how it got to us right there on the dot also at 45.50. Played the mix of this support and the psychological number right as we spoke about it yesterday, and it got right to there. Yeah, please drop a like, sub to the channel if you enjoy the content, if you're getting value out of this, even if you don't like me much. Who cares? This is all about your pocketbook, right? I don't like a lot of politicians, but I don't vote for them based on if I like them or not. It's whatever's better for my pocketbook, right? So please show support, drop a like for that banger of a trade. Congrats to everybody that caught the one in the morning. Congrats to everybody that caught the one this evening. Great job. And keep showing up. You're gonna pick up. Hey, he is destroying my entire set. It's like an earthquake, bro. Get your little T-Rex arms out of here. I need you to walk away or bring him away or something, because he's too big now for this run. Hey! And he's out here destroying the office. Yeah. Where's stop loss? At break even, bro, right here. It's at break even. This is not a buy stop. This is a stop loss. This is a sell that we've closed 90% of. And the only thing that's left is this buy stop at break even. Right? But sell is right there. That's all it is. Just a runner. If you're looking at this buy stop as a position to enter, no, it's not. This is our break even. I'm just gonna let the other two run here. How much is it? See if we get another 100 pips here, 45.40. Smashed. There's a lot of room to correct here. I'm about to just leave one just in case. This is clean ass range. If this is a bearish evening, it's about to be like this. What we got to risk? What do we got to lose here? Eh? Eh? What we got to lose here if this is the correction of today's nasty push? Previous range that we broke out of earlier today, right? Probably getting to this wick at 4509. Maybe 4500 is. We'll see. I think if it gets there, we'll get there. 4500 can be done. You entered long or short. I try to learn with you. We're in a sell here. We sold at 45.60. This red is a sell. This blue on top of it, this buy stop, that's a break even. This is a possibility. This is wishful thinking down here. And that's it. But we're all winners here. We've caught over 100 pips today. Or in this session, we've caught over 400 today. We're up damn near at 600 for the week. It's only Wednesday? Is it Wednesday? Wednesday. Hump day. Hump day. What else? What else? What else we got? I think people don't realize this trade. You gotta tell them. You gotta show them this. You gotta show them. Were you going up? Oh, nice. Sorry, bro. Wix, my computer turned off. May you explain this position, please? I'm new in trading. I watch your live streams. You are set long as you're trolling. Okay. This is a sell. This right here, this red, is our sell. See, it's counting money or the runner that's left. The blue on top of it right here, it says buy stop. That's our break even. That's our stop loss that we move to break even. This right here is a possibility. This is wishful thinking down here. Right? This is a probability. This is a possibility. But hey, why not? Look at how much room we got to correct. So we're going to attempt it. Right? We can split that position up. We can secure a little bit here, attempt it down. Sometimes it runs. Sometimes I go to bed, wake up in the morning, and 600 pips are smat. Sometimes I go to bed, wake up in the morning, and we hit 598 and come all the way back down to up to break even. I think you meant why you took it. We wanted it on this candle, right? This candle closed below, and we never got that break at a low, break at a previous candle low. So I told you guys, as long as we can get all the way up here to these highs without breaking, keeping structure here, right? Without breaking structure here. But even if we did by a little bit, I wouldn't have minded. It would have been even better because we would have tapped this. But typically you want to hold structure. And as you do that, right? That was the resistance that held structure. It was a rebreak of the lows, and it was just clean range. This candle to the left was clean. There's some of this. That's all it was. What's your strategy? What is this? Lines yellow? What phrase I should learn on YouTube to trade? Just keep showing up. Keep showing up to the streams. It's too much. I can't tell you. Learn this. First of all, if you don't know how to trade, or you're just brand new at this, go to babypips.com. Go through the course, and then come back here, or don't come back here. Just keep showing up here while doing babypips.com, and we'll teach you price action. We'll teach you profitability. We'll teach you. We won't teach you strategy. We'll teach you how to create your own. That way. Well, can this freaking thing break down already? What do we have? This TP is at 210 pips. I mean, you could secure runners however you want. You don't even have to secure there. You guys could just pick a bigger runner all the way down. See you. You know it's going to break at daily highs today and you're going to enter. Maybe this is the bottom. Maybe we don't even get a bottom wick here, just right up here, and the 4-hour closes bullish. We've seen that look right here. Closure below the range. Look, heavy closure right here below everything. What's the next candle do? Oh, we're about to hit E. We're getting close to it. Tickling our entry. Wait, is this 2? And this is 2? It's 2 and this is 2. Watch you tap this area right here and come back down right where we took the entry. But that's the cost of taking the break at the lows versus the wick entry up here. It is changing in GP. Well, it's a good thing we secured 90% of our position. Right, we got as much as 101 pips secured. Oh, look at that. Tickle that wick right there. Tickle that wick, but it should tickle this wick right here. A lot of tickling. Yeah, there we go. So that was the trade. Let's get rid of this. Bada bing, bada boom. And the trade opened up with this. This was really the full scope of it. And partials were, I didn't even light that joint. I got my joint outside. I got to light my joint. 45.50 flat. No, give it to me. Hey, what are you doing? Boy, what's up with that level? Doesn't want to get caught? Bro, right there. Oh. Yo. Bruh. There you go. We got that on the dot too. Forgot to light a joint at that level. I'm sorry. But it's going to be post trade. Light joint here, post trade. I could relax and go light a joint. You guys are winners in the morning, winners in the evening. The stimmies are in the mail again. The Wix 9 stimulus checks are being mailed more often than the governments are. Right? They're in your accounts. It is ranging. If you want, I created my own watching how this guy here. Wix Street candles helped a lot, if not all. W. Appreciate that. I understand market structure, FEG, supply, demand, premium, discount, risk management, liquidity, trend lines, price action, but I'm still losing. May you explain me some good stuff to learn? I don't think you need to learn anymore. It seems like you know a shit ton of things. And some of them might contradict each other. You have to figure out. It's a game of thousands, bro. I say that all the time. So you got to take thousands of positions with each one. Each one has its own many positions, right? Many opportunities, each one of those. And then you got to figure out of all those, which one worked the best by taking thousands of those positions and then managing them thousands of different times. Thousands of times. Managing them differently thousands of times. To really build data. So you got to just, drop your lots, drop your risk. You're not a trader yet, right? Just like when you're in college, you're learning. You're not a fucking doctor yet, right? If you're in medical school, you're not a doctor. Even when you're doing your steps, or you're doing not your steps, your rotations, or your, you're still a student. So yeah, you're in the live markets here, but you're confusing yourself for a trader. You're not yet. So stop risking a lot. You could pay the same, you could pay much less for the same education and get a better result. It's up to you how much you want to spend on the same education. You want to spend $100,000, you want to spend, you know, $5,000. You're going to learn the same lessons. Trading 10 lots, 100 lots, or 1 lot, or 0.01. I took a buy on that green candle because I know how to read action price from this dude here. W. No, I didn't all that. All right. Yeah, give me 1 second, but
I feel good. Break out the red panties. We're rich, baby.
mm-hmm. Hey, bro, you took the same trade as me. Yeah, my apologies. Please don't fucking send your assassins. They failed last time, and I'm here streaming. Got the assassins looking for me. Got the hitman out. Mm-hmm. Nick's gonna have to call this one in and call off the dogs. Stand down, word. When the cops came through, me and Nick stood next to the burnt down house. All right, great trade. Any questions, right? I can trust that you guys learned something here by show of hands. Can I really trust you guys? Because trust is fragile, gang, right? It takes years to build and seconds to destroy. Can I really trust you here? Right? Well, you spend your entire life building a reputation one decision at a time. Okay? Which is exactly why I don't trust anybody that gets completely naked to go take a shit. Too much commitment, that's a really bad decision. And the stream goes sideways real quick, bro. Yo. So true. Drove Porsche, BMW, Mercedes, not Audi. Quattro, small. I'm not. It's not making us happy, but good cars, though, in my opinion. Who cares? So true. If Discord from description not working, can somebody drop the updated link, please? Please, please, please. Appreciate it, gang. Not making us happy. Yeah, I mean, people have an attachment to things where things define them, right? People let things define them. So, like a Lambo, right? And what happens is you get so attached to things you own, when something goes wrong, when those things break, right? You're broken, right? Like, let me ask you, like, if you got a Lambo, when your Lambo breaks, are you broken? No. So why, why are you so attached to material things that have no reflection, that do not reflect you in any way, realistically? To an idiot, they might, but then you don't want to associate with those people anyway. You don't want the people that are like around you that are like, wow, look at your Lambo. That's like, unless you're just a shallow person, but like, because that doesn't improve anything. Right? So you don't want to be defined by things you own. That's not what happiness is really about. Because let me tell you, the guy that takes the bus gets the same size spot in the cemetery that the guy that fucking drives a Lambo. Same size, brings the same amount of shit with him. You don't see a U-Haul behind a hearse for a reason, right? Can't take shit with ya. The early bird gets the worm. I don't know why I felt like saying that, because honestly, based on how things have been going and some of the sessions we just stayed out, it's yeah, pretty early. And some of the other sessions our trades were pretty late. Our lates were pretty trade. You feel me? All right. Do we want to stick around here? Do we want to look for more positions? I'm honestly, ooh, that's a nice fake out right there to bring it back up. Oh, we're bearish on every other time frame. Yeah, I'm gonna ignore this. Honestly, I think you guys should drop a like and sub to the channel. And I'm gonna take this into the signals channel, into the private community, and because the Wix 9 stimmies are on their way. Don't worry. The Wix 9 stimulus checks are gonna hit your trading account tonight, right now. So you're getting your dubs are in there. I think the bundle members, right, deserve some extra dubs, as always. But you guys are up around 400 pips today. You'll be good. Over 400. Those are just on stream. All right, you want to be a part of the positions outside of stream? Get the bundle. Go get your top 1 futures accounts. Use code WIX. Make sure you show up with your full mental clarity intact tomorrow. New York session. I will see you for NYSE. But I'll be here at 9 a.m. realistically. So make sure you bring your top 1 futures accounts as well. And if you want to trade in between, then get the bundle and we'll be trading. What else? What else can I say other than, hey, this was, oh, wait. We didn't do one thing. Damn it. God damn it, chat. You know what we didn't do. Don't leave yet. Yes, exactly. Sam got it. Hold on. We got to get W spam. We like, get a W spam, man. All right. Hold on. I'm not ready. I'm very discombobulated right now. I was about to dip. Now we need a W spam. Tony, don't piece me. W, before you go. Tony, before you go. Before you go. You gotta tell me, Wix, don't ever sing again. All right, gang, spam the dubs. Let's go. We want this shit to look pretty, right? We're gonna make content out of this. Spam the dubs. Come on, spam yourselves out as much as you can so you can't do it anymore. Go. You guys are so happy to fucking use those fingers for other activities, right? Come on, spam the dubs. This is good. This is good. Yeah, that looks good. Good job, gang. Yeah. All right, I appreciate it. We get to do a little content. I'm low key when it comes to content. I'll do a clip or two and then, I'll keep it moving. You know, I'm a very fun introvert. Like we can chill, but then you gotta go. So I'm an outgoing introvert. All right, on that note, gang, we'll call it a session. Let's get a little let's get a little outro. All right, I can't do that one. All right. Let's do it the same way. The same way we started. All right, gang, let's do it. All right, gang. Doom gang, I'll see you guys on the clubhouse side of things. TT, thank you for coming through and blessed us with your presence. Appreciate you. I was gonna say something to you. Oh yeah, I gave you my email, bro. Reach out. Maz, thank you so much for helping me run the stream as always, patrolling the mean streets of YouTube. Chat, love and wisdom to you all. As for me, my time here is up, and just like that, another Asian session is in the books.
All the rappers be hating off the track that I'm making, but all the hustlers they love it just to see one of us make it. Came from the bottom to the top of the pops. Make a run to Japan and I'm straight up the block. Like a running back, get it, man, I'm straight up the block. I can run it back, nigga, cause I'm straight with the rock. If you feeling like a pimp, nigga, gon' brush your shoulders off. Ladies is pimps too, gon' brush your shoulders off. Niggas is crazy, baby, don't forget that boy told you, kid. That, turn up your shoulder, you got a kid. That, turn up your shoulder, you got a kid. That, turn up your shoulder, you got a kid. That, turn up your shoulder, you got a kid. That, turn up your shoulder. Your homie holding position in the kitchen with soda. I just whipped up a watch, trying to get me a rover, trying to stretch out the coca like a wrestler. Yes sir, keep the heckler close. You know the smokers will test you, but like 52 cards went out. I'm through dealing now. 52 bars come out. Now you feel them now. 52 bars roll out. 52 selling the case. 52 bras come out. Now you chillin' with a boss, bitch. Your cards FC on the sleeve. Like the 40-40 club, ESPN on the screen. I paid a grip for the jeans, plus the slippers is clean. No chrome on the wheels. I'm a grown up for real. G feeling like a pimp, nigga. Gon' brush your shoulders off. Ladies is pimps too. Gon' brush your shoulders off. Niggas is crazy, baby. Don't forget that boy told you, kid. That, turn up your shoulder, you got a kid. That, turn up your shoulder, you got a kid. That, turn up your shoulder, you got a kid. That, turn up your shoulder, you got a kid. That, turn up your shoulder. Boy, back in the building. Brooklyn, we back on the map. Me and my beautiful bitch in the back of the back. I'm the realest to run it. I just happen to rap. I ain't gotta clap at them. Niggas scared of that black. I dropped that black album, then I back out it as the best rapper alive. Nigga acts about me from bricks to billboards, from grams to Grammys. The O's the opposite. Orphan Annie, you got a pardon chain for selling out the garden in the day. I'm like a young Marvin in his hay. I'm a hustler, homie. You a customer crony. Got some dirt on my shoulder. Could you brush it off for me? If you feeling like a pimp, nigga,